Hey, here I am. As you see, we're heading out to Worcester. I got my newest picture, Craig. He's using my phone right now. I'm just doing one of my series, one of my video series. I always do. I film everything, you know, because I'm a one-man crusade to try to help people in recovery. And I want to show them how it's done. Now see that mirror right there? Kimmy, the girl I've been working on for years, freaked out last night. I was letting her sleep off in my car so she could get some rest, right? And then all of a sudden in a drug-induced psychosis, she thought she lost 80 bucks and started tearing my car apart, and she tore the fucking mirror off my windshield. Now this is the last straw with her because it was at 5:20 in the morning in my parking lot where people pay rent. The tenants actually were disturbed by her outburst of behavior and her yelling and screaming in my parking lot. So now she ruined it for every other person that I try to help in recovery by giving them a nice warm place to sleep. Because I can't let anybody in there now, you know what I mean? To get out of the rain, the cold, the sleet, the snow. I used to let them sleep in my car to warm up, you know what I mean? And then, because nobody can tell me what to do in my own car. But the first day, she pissed me off. She spilled marinara sauce all over the seat. This is 31,000 miles original. That interior, before I got it, never smelled a cigarette, right? She spilled marinara sauce that she got at St. John's, St. Francis Xavier, all over the seat. Then the next day, she claimed a sugar baby. She ate all my sugar babies that I had for my sugar fixes when I get low blood sugar, right? And she put one under her ass somehow and I ground it into the seat that you're sitting on. Oh. And then the third day, she breaks my damn mirror. See, that's where the mirror used to be attached to the windshield, you know, right up in there. So, and I put up with this shit because